Hello everyone, today I am reviewing the Tilhumt, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, clay bead spinner, and it's an electric spinner. And this is what was inside. We have the actual spinner here, very lightweight. Obviously this one is in green. I did want a pink, but pink is not released until October 2023. And it comes with the bead and needles, which are very different to the normal ones that I've previously used, which is like this and bendy. We've got a base, which is very heavy, which the needles go into. We have some free elastic. This is the charger, and it came with instructions. So I'm just going to plug this in. I need to attach it to a charger, and I'll be right back. Okay, I plugged it in. Now we attach the needle. So step one, thread the needle. I've used manual clay bead spinners, but when you make bracelets, when you make jewellery like myself, and bracelets which are getting more popular now, I need something electric to help me do it quicker. If you want to check out my website, it's www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and on there I have handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies, and the handmade jewellery all has free postage to the UK. So we've threaded the needle, and then you put that in there and twist, and then you push it in to there to hold it in place. We now pour less than a third clay beads into the bowl. So these are the clay beads that I sell. I don't have my scissors, I'm just using my cutters. There we go. So we turn on, and then we pop the needle in. I may need to adjust this because at the moment I can thread a lot faster than that manually. I might just see if I can turn. Fine tune the needle. I'm sure I've got enough beads in now. Maybe we'll add some more to see. This isn't affiliated in any way, so I'm not going to make it look better than it is. But obviously this is the first time I've used one of these. oh, I think it's better if I just lift and hold it in. Perhaps that's what you have to do. I did think they would go on a lot quicker. So as you can see, if I just put this down, in the end it's going to be full. I won't be able to add any. I'll just do this, fill it up. Okay. There's our thread. And I think you twist and then bring them down to here. Right, I'm just going to pop this back in. So we put it in, twist, and then push into the little gap. Let's turn this back on. And then just put in the bead clip on the end. Plenty. Oops. Must remember to take it out and twist. Push them on. There we go. Just check. Oh, 7 inches. So I'm just going to, this is way too long. Take some of this off. That time. Obviously you can put charms on other beads. So yeah, that's our bracelet all done. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make another one. See if we can do it quicker this time. So we thread, bead spinner, pop it in, there we go, we've got our clip on the end. I think if you had more beads in there, I could make one and carry on tying it, maybe add a charm while this carries on filling up. But I think I do need more beads, otherwise I have to hold it into the down. I'm just going to see what length this is. 5.5. I wasn't sure if one whole needle would do one bracelet, which the average size is 7.5. Sorry, the average size is 7 inches. So there you are. It's a bit big, but so yes. How do I rate it? I'm pleased I bought it. I think it would be. I think things I wish the next one will have when I try another one is that you can alter this. I mean, you can put something underneath to, tip it back. Some have speed settings as well. That would be very good. I think for the price, £25, it's fine. Christmas is coming, so it'd be good for a Christmas present. And it's not just for children, may I add. So, and even if you're older, if you've got grandchildren, you can make bracelets for them. Necklaces, you can make necklaces, it's not just bracelets. So, yeah. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.